Hey, I wanted to go over demonstrative adjectives with you. I had a couple students who had questions about it. So here we go. Demonstrative adjectives are ways to say this and these and that and those. So for example, this stapler, but that stapler. These phones, but those phones. The difference is between this and these and that and those is just distance. If something's near you, you're going to say these. If it's further away, you'll say those. Or this stapler versus that stapler. And in Spanish, they have this and these, that and those, and then a that and those that's really far away. So for again, the stapler, if it's next to me, I would say this stapler. If it's across the desk, I would say that stapler. And then if it were across the house, I would say that stapler over there or far away. So that's kind of the main gist of this and these, that and those. So the ways to say this and these, you have este, if it's masculine and singular. If it's feminine, you say esta. So that equals this. And to say these, it's going to be either estos or estas. Again, if it's feminine plural, that means these. So for example, stapler is grapadora, it's feminine, so I would say esta grapadora. And if I had staplers, I would say estas grapadoras if they're right next to me. All right, to say that and those, you're going to say, it's basically the same as this, just take away the T. So ese, esa equals that. And then esos and esas equals those. So again, that stapler, those staplers, or way over there. That phone, those phones. They're not close to me, but they're not super duper far. So, and then finally in Spanish, you have that and those again, but it's implied far away. So it doesn't really, it's kind of relative as to where you are. If I'm in a room, that can be far. If I'm on a football field, that could be far. So it just depends on where you are. So to say that and those far away, it all starts with an A. So it's aquel for masculine, like that phone that's really far away. Or if it's feminine, aquella for that pen, pluma, that's really far away. So I'm going to put the word far in parentheses. And then the plural forms are aquellos, and then aquellas, and that's those, and it's far away. So este, esta, this, estos, estas, these, ese, esa, that, esos, esas, those. And then if it's far away, if I want to say that phone way over there, like across the street, that would be aquel, aquella, or aquellos, aquellas if it's super far. Okay? There's a little song or rhyme, this and these both have T's, that and those don't. Add an A for far away. So this and these both have T's because they have T's in them. That and those don't, see they have no T's. And add an A for far away. Okay, so let's go through this. This book, the word for book is libro and it's masculine. So since it's masculine and I want to say this book, it's going to be este libro. Those girls, the word for girls is chicas, it's an AS, and I want to say those girls, so it's going to be the word those, and it's feminine plural, so it's esas chicas. That belt, and it's far away, so that's going to be one of these words. The word for belt is cinturón. All right, it's masculine because it's el cinturón. So it's that belt far away, so it's going to be aquel because that's masculine. All right, these boots, the word for boots is botas, since it's feminine and plural. So again, I'm saying the word these, find the word these, it's feminine and plural, so it's going to AS. So estas. So this and these both have T's, that and those don't, because I always say that to myself. That sandal, one sandal, sandalia. I didn't say it's far, far away. I just said that sandal. So it's going to be esa because it's feminine. Those sweaters, and it's far away, and it's those. So since sweaters is masculine, it'd be aquellos. Suéteres. Okay, and it's masculine. Esos zapatos verdes. So now we're doing Spanish to English. The word esos, find it. Esos means those. Zapatos are shoes, and verdes means green. So basically those green shoes. Okay. Aquella pulsera. Aquella means that. And pulsera is a bracelet. And being I said aquella with an A, you know it's going to be far away. So you can write far away, or you don't have to say far, it's just implied. And you can put that right there if you want. Estas botas rojas, estas means these. Botas are boots, and rojas are red. So these red boots because you flip-flop it. Aquel traje azul. Aquel means that, and it's far away. I'm going to write the word far. Traje is a suit, and azul is blue. So that blue suit. And then esta blusa de rayas. Esta means this. Blusa is blouse, and rayas means stripes. So this striped blouse. All right, so let me just do a little. This is the notes. I'm gonna screenshot that real quick. That's it.